Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this super fun video, we're going to be doing this Nickelodeon slime 24 days of slime advent calendar. I know that we're already a few days into December, so I am going to do this video really quickly so you guys can see what you're getting for your money. So this slime advent calendar is currently at £8.99 in Tesco's, which is super cheap for any kind of Nickelodeon slime. And even these are little mini pots, but even £8.99 for 24 little mini pots of slime is excellent. So guys, without wasting any time and without dropping my camera, we're going to get into this. Guys, I am using a knife to open this advent calendar. If you are younger and you are going to use a knife, please ask for a grown-up's assistance because we do not want any accidents and we do not want anything to happen to you. So now we've got the wrapper off. We're going to go ahead and open day one. Day one is right down here at the bottom. And let's see if we can get into this advent calendar. Oh, wow. So day one. Oh, I'm loving these little pots. These are clear pots. They're awesome because I can reuse them again. So I'm so excited about that. And in this little one, we have Cloud Slime. Guys, I'm not going to open them all, but I will open at least one of each type of slime. Okay, in this slime, this is supposed to be Cloud Slime. It is a little more like kinetic sand. It does feel like we've got sand in this slime. Oh, this is much better now that we've worked it in. So we have super fun Cloud Slime. Let's see, do we get a decent drizzle? Okay, that drizzle is pretty awesome. So definitely a thumbs up for day one. So we will pop the lid on this. The other thing I like about these pots are they are airtight. So no air is going to get into there. So awesome. Definitely an amazing first slime. We just push that in there. It will help me remember which ones we've got. We're going to go up to day two and I hope we don't get the same color. Okay, no we don't. And we've got a different tub of slime. So this is our normal slime. We'll open it up, this one up, and see what we've got. Oh, these are definitely airtight containers because I currently cannot even get into this slime. Okay. It's very squishy. There's a little bit of residue, but that's okay because we'll work that in. It's not bad slime. It is a little slippy. You can see that there is some residue on my fingers, but not a bad slime. Nice. Okay, and the color of this one is this gorgeous, almost watermelon pink. So day two, definitely awesome. Day three, right over here. And these pots are bigger than I thought we were going to get. So I'm so happy about that. Day three is our little pot of yellow slime. Totally cool. And I must look at the back of this advent calendar and see if we can see how much product we're getting inside the slime. No guys, it doesn't actually say, but for an advent calendar of this value, I think we're getting a decent amount of slime. So we're going to go ahead and find day number 4. Let's see if we can find day number 4. Where's day number 4? Day number 4, find it right here. Okay, we have some more super cute cloud slime. We have this purple cloud slime, and I know I said I wasn't going to open all of them, but this one looks like it's slightly different consistency than what we had in our first cloud slime. No, exactly the same, type of Clyde slime. Wow, look at that. That is so amazing. Let me just show you how pretty that is. So we're getting totally fun, totally amazing Clyde slime. I mean, look at the drizzle. Loving our Clyde slime. So that is day number 4. We're going to go ahead and open day number 5, which is right over here. If I can get day number 5 opened, we have some of our super fun normal slime. We've got it in this cute green. This is more like a greeny blue. So we're getting an aqua slime here. So thumbs up, loving it. We're going to find day number 6 right down here. Pop our day number 6 right open. We have more Clyde slime, and we have this black Clyde slime. So guys, so far, I'll tell you what I've noticed. Okay, we're getting different amounts of slime. So this slime, this purple slime is completely full. This red one is about 3/4 full. And this darker colored one, I'm just going to pop it open. If I can get this thing open. Oh, these are tight. This is the amount of Clyde slime I'm getting. So this is not very consistent with the amounts of slime that we're getting. Very disappointed in that, but we will move on because I have to remember the price of this advent calendar, which was super cheap. It's also the same with these other slimes. We're not consistently getting the same amount, as you can see. I think that's a little odd, but we're going to move on to day number 7, which is right up at the very top. And we have another one of these pink slimes, same color, same pot. Okay, day number 8, we will move swiftly on. We have that closed. Okay, we have this Clyde slime in a brown color. This is our black, this is our brown, just for color. We'll move on to day number 9, which is right here. We have more of this blue, aqua blue slime. Day number 10. And hopefully, guys, this gives you an indication of if you were to buy this advent calendar, what you guys are going to get. So we have red slime, and I'm just going to bring the pink up so you can see the difference in color. We have red normal slime. So let's keep on going. Day number 10, day number 11, right here. Okay, we have orange Clyde slime. Nice. Day number 12 is right beside day number 11. And we'll pop that right open. And we have this green slime, like snotty slime. Let's take this out and see what this is like. Okay, this is nice. It's jelly-like. Little bit sticky. I'm not used to Nickelodeon jellies or slimes being sticky. This one is a little sticky, but the more you play with it, the more pliable it becomes, the less sticky the slime is. But nice thick consistency. Is a little rippy, but I don't mind that. I think we need to play with it a little more to warm this slime up. This has been sitting in my cold storage, so once it heats up, it will become more pliable and easier to play with. We will pop our airtight container on. That was day number 12. We're going to swiftly move on to 13. 13 is right up here at the very, very top. And I'm just going to bring this calendar closer because it's a little difficult to stretch that way far. Okay, we have more of this brown cloud slime. I've got the green slime all over my hands. Number 14, I think we'll bring this over again. Number 14, we have more cloud slime. We have it in this nice dark blue. I think we had that before. Yep. Oh no, this one's a little lighter. So this one's darker. Don't know if you can pick that up on camera because it is very slight. But we're going to move on to 15 right over here. We have some more yellow slime. I think this is exactly the same color. So we are getting duplicates. Don't mind the duplicate. Sorry guys. Something was definitely caught in my throat. Don't mind duplicates. I think they're fine. We'll pop that right here. And we'll put our duplicates together here so we can see how many duplicates of each slime we get. We're going to go to 16 right here. Pull this forward. We have green slime. This slime was open. I'm just closing the container. We don't have this color, so we'll set this here as a new color. That was 16. Let's pop open number 17. Okay, 17. Oh, I can get 17 out. 17 is this green slime that I threw away, that I had before. Not so bad. So we've got that. Let's go to number 18 right down here at the bottom. Much easier to get. Oh, we have the orange cloud slime right here. Another duplicate. 18. We're going to go to 19. I think we're probably going to end up with 2 of each. Actually, I don't think we are, because now we have some of this normal Nickelodeon slime that is this gorgeous purple color, a brand new color. We'll pop it right in here. And we're going to go to number 20. I'm going to bring this forward. We'll pop open number 20. Number 20. We have another orange cloud slime. Slightly lighter than our first one. Another new color. We might just pop that one right there. And we're going to now go to 21, which is right here. 21, what are you? 21, we have this gorgeous cloud slime. 22, right here. We have our normal slime in red. Now guys, this is what I mean about the amount that we're getting. This one all the way around is emptier than this one. I know we have a little air pocket right here, but for the most part we are getting more product in some than we are in the others. I find that really, really weird. I don't know about you guys, but it is super weird that that's what's happening. I don't know. Maybe it's just me, but I'm just finding it a little weird. We're going to go 23. Guys, one more after this and our slimes are done. Let's close number 3. Okay, we've got a duplicate of this super cute lilac purple. And I think that 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, that should be all of our normal slimes, and we're just waiting on one more cloud slime. So I assume our day 24, which is right up here at the top, is going to be a cloud slime, and it is. And we have this gorgeous green cloud slime right here. I'm going to open this one because I think my favorite for this video, see what they look like when they come out. We do have a bit of fallout. It is just like one complete block, and it looks so much like kinetic sand when you start to pull it apart. I think that is super satisfying. I am loving the feel of this cloud slime. Look at all these fibers. This is so much fun. And I love the fact that you can mold it right back into what looks like a solid object and just give it a little wiggle. And look at that. What is our drizzle like? Oh, wow. That is so nice. So, guys, my favorite out of this pack is definitely the cloud slime. I think it is a huge amount of fun. I don't mind the normal slime. I do think it needs to warm up a little. It is a little rippy. It is a little sticky. But once we warm that up, look at the fiber. Look at the stretch on this cloud slime. So much fun. My favorite. I'm getting caught up playing with the slime. So for this advent calendar, I definitely have to say for the price point, this is a huge, huge, huge thumbs up for me. You are getting all of these slimes. Look at how many slimes I have. 24 little pots. The other good thing is if you're done with your slime, keep these little pots. They are so, so, so good for putting other slimes in. I love this advent calendar. I highly recommend this advent calendar. And for the price point of $8.99 in Tesco's, how could you not want to go buy this? Guys, I have so enjoyed doing this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it too. Let me know in the comments below what you think of the slime advent calendar. Which slime is your favorite? Is the normal slime your favorite? Is the cloud slime your favorite? And which is your favorite color? I definitely know that my favorite is the cloud slime. And I love this color purple, so that would be my favorite. But let me know what your favorite is. I'm always interested in your guys' comments. Guys, if you have enjoyed this video and you would like to be a subscriber, hit that little subscribe button. If you'd like to be notified of any future videos, hit that notification bell. And guys, any comments, again, like I say, leave them in the comment section below and I will be absolutely happy to answer any questions or respond to your comments just as soon as I can. Guys, I hope you have a fantastic evening and I'm going to catch you next time. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.